All right, KTB Tactical back again. Hey, today, man, we're gonna do this T-Sauce PX9 duty version, and we're gonna see if we can take it out to 25 yards with just the iron sights. Well, fiber optic. So, um, nothing extra on it, just straight out the box, factory like it is. That's how I carry it. 20 round mag, and we're gonna take it out all the way 25 yards. I'm gonna let y'all see real quick. So these are the 3 targets we're gonna be shooting at. Little small guys, you can see, no bigger than my hand. And we're gonna take it all the way back to 25. It'll take a while to get down. Still going. All right. That's all the way to the back. Let's get to it. Alrighty. Not gonna be shooting that one. Okay, so we got 20 in here. We're just gonna do 5 per target. I'm gonna do 5, bring it in so you can see, and then do 5 and like that. So 15 total. So we're gonna do 5 apiece. All right. Oh, so y'all can see, because I know I clipped the video still all the way back, 25 yards. All right, see if we can get the first one on paper. I can't see if I hit it, it's far away. That's 4, and that's 5. All right, so we're gonna bring it in, and let's see what we did. I honestly couldn't see from that far away. It was real far, so. Oh, okay. All right, so we did manage to get 4 on paper. In the middle here. Okay. Just like I had 1 flyer right there. 4 out of 5. I'll take that from 25 yards. And now we're just gonna go and do the next 5 on, probably gonna do the left target. And as you can see, it is clean. Alright. I'm gonna try to get tighter groups. Let's see if we can get it back there. Alright, so I'm going to try to get tighter groups this time on the left one, 5 shots. You know what I say? Okay, so y'all can see. It's all the way back there again. Here we go. Am I still recording? Okay. Is that 5? I don't know. I couldn't even. Alright. Interesting enough, I had 1 on, 1 high, then I had 3 right here. So I was way off to the right. And honestly don't know. I don't know why. So we're gonna go do the right side this time. And see if we can't get that right. So for the sake of the video's length of time, I keep pausing it so that it won't be too long. All right. So we back down there, and we just gonna go again. 5 to the right side. All right. Keep in mind, it's increasingly tough to see that little target if you aim small, you shoot, you miss small. That was a little low. Felt like it was a little low. Okay. Let's see where we at. Pause and say it takes a while to get here. I'm already at 5. Well, I'll let it keep recording. Okay, so as you can see, 2 here. Alright, and then I have 1, 2, and 3. So the chest area would be hit, but I'm trying to aim to keep it tight on these, so I'm gonna go another 5. I was barely on the outskirts of those. I did not feel like I was that low on that one. I barely missed. Would have been a 3 out of 5. Still failing. We got work to do, people. First one was good though, and it might be because I can see that red dot from far away, and the other 2 don't have red dots on them. So I think it's just a visual thing. Like I can't see that far away, especially with iron sights. All right, here we go. So I decided to adjust the height. Clearly, I'm pulling to the left and the right, but I'm still a little high when I am missing close. I'm above the target, so I'm gonna bring it down, and I might have been flinching, so I think that had something to do with it. So we're gonna adjust it and see if those make any difference. Just gotta stick with the fundamentals sometimes, people. All right, here we go. All right. Let's bring it in. Hold on. All right, so we have it back. Okay, so I did a little better. I got 2 here and then 1 here. All right. Oh, no, 3 right there. So, oh, hold on. Oh, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 of them. Okay, all 5 of my new ones did hit. I was a bit off to the edge, but I'm in there. I'll take those. So it's 3 right there, 4 and 5. But it's 2 right here, so those 2 are already there. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 are new. All right. So yeah, we didn't get any flyers that time. Okay. All right. So we're gonna try the left one. Keep note that this one's already here. There's one already at the top, and then we're gonna go from there on those. For the sake of the video, I like to just stop it until I get it all the way out there, because it's taking up a lot of time. Okay, so we're gonna try not going too high on the sights, just right over top of the sights. With these fiber optics, they're a little bit different than with my Glock and my FN, but at that 25 mark, it's way more difficult to hit. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can hit it dead center and keep a group in there if I don't ride over top, like too far over top, because I'm compensating. I'm trying to go too high when I ride over top too much. All right, and I'm empty. Okay. Halfway. Oh, okay. So as you can see now, I did get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 4 in there. Then I had a flyer right there. So I think that makes a ton of difference on the accuracy. Just following up on fundamentals and stuff I know. I was right. So it was me riding over too high on the sights, which made me compensate by shooting higher than I should have. Because most of the times I miss close. If you notice right here, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that were too high, and only 2 at the bottom that were too low. So most of the time I was missing I was missing right above the target. See what I'm saying? So yeah, just get those reps in. You know, once you get used to your gun and you get intimate on that, this is what happens. You get accuracy. From 25 yards away, I will take that. Okay? I take that any day. Because that means from 10, 15, whatever, I'm tight grouping. I'm tight grouping. Matter of fact, I'm about to do from 10 just so you can see that I typed the group. So hold on. Alright, so we're gonna do this 10. Alright. And I go for the left again. Seems like I got more real estate on the left side of that left target. Alright. Okay, let's bring that in. See what we did. Yeah, I can already see I did pretty good on that. Yeah, so all 5 of them are in there. I'm still a little bit to the right, but not too far to the right where it'll make a big difference, but they see all 5 are in there. And those are tight groups. Yeah. So if we close that in, get better accuracy and better groups too, which that's how it should be. I'm gonna do 5 more, and I'm just gonna run them a bit fast, not too fast where I can't see lose my line of sight. Just gonna run them in put like a second in between each consecutive shot. Go for the right side of the target. Actually, I'm gonna go for the middle just because I got that red dot. I'm gonna try to hit that red dot in there. All right. All right. So that was 1 second in between shots. Let's see what we did. Okay, so I had 3 on, 2 off. I'm cool with that. Like I said, second in between. And yeah. If this was a full torso, I'd have been all in, so I'm good with that. But that's the training I do with these small targets. If I can hit it small, it's no problem hitting it big. You see what I'm saying? And that's how I train. Well, 15 rounds left. Might as well go ahead and use them up. You feel me? Now, let me reload. I'll be back. Okay, so I've taken the liberty of taping the targets up just so you can see the new shot placement and won't get it confused with the old ones. Now, I'm just going to do a couple double tap drills since I only got 15 rounds left. See how good it is. Oh, and this is from 7. Okay. All right. Now to speed it up, that was like a half a second in between. We're just gonna speed it up another half a second. So instead of boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay. All right. Now, I don't know if you can see the recoil of the gun, but I want to keep the muzzle flip as low as I can, so when I drive the gun out, just watch the recoil. So we're out. Let's see what we did. All right. So all these right here is just tight groups, and I like that. That lets me know that I'm consistent with my double taps, and I'll take those any day. We had a couple flyers off to the right, but other than that, those are some good double taps. All right. Appreciate it, folks. Till next time. Oh, yeah. Keep the peace. Stay tactical. All right? Don't do nothing I wouldn't do.